How to hide your bank app, WhatsApp, Facebook and other important apps on your phone. Let me show you how to hide all these apps and other essential apps on your phone, because some people are fond of, if you give them your phone, they will snoop through your apps without you knowing what they are doing. But in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to hide all your important apps so it can be safe. So join me in this tutorial. Let me show you exactly how to do that. Let's go. To start, press and hold your phone's home screen until the app icons show watermark boxes. Then tap on desktop settings or settings down here. Then go to hidden apps down here. Click on the hidden apps. If it's your first time, set up a PIN or password for security. Once done, select the apps you want to hide, such as CapCut, InShot and Telegram. These are the 3 apps that I want to hide. For media like pictures, videos, recordings or documents, go to the respective section, that is picture. Click on pictures. Click on private album. Then come down here and tap on this plus sign down here. When it opens, select the pictures that you want to hide. Any picture that you want to hide, select it. After that, click on confirm. These pictures will no longer appear on your gallery, but you can access them through the hidden private album, okay? And no longer visible in your gallery or file manager. Then go back. If you want to hide apps, tap on this place, apps. Then come down here and tap on this plus sign. Then let's select the apps that we want to hide. That is CapCut, InShot and Telegram. Where is Telegram? And Telegram. After that, click on confirm. Okay, these are the 3 apps that we want to hide. Anything that you want to hide, just tap on it. If you want to hide videos, tap on the videos, tap on this plus sign, then select whichever video that you want to hide. After that, click on confirm. Then to unhide apps or media, what you have to do is to return to your home screen and press and hold it. Then press the setting, tap on hidden apps and verify your PIN. If it is picture that you want to unhide or you want to access, what you should do is to tap on the picture, tap on the private album, whichever one you want to unhide, select it by pressing the screen. Select all of them. If it is all of them that you want to unhide, then tap on unhide, confirm unhide. Then all of it will unhide themselves. After that, go back and tap on apps if you want to unhide them. But if you don't want to unhide them, you can access them through here, okay? Then to unhide them, long tap on it to select. Then select anyone that you want to unhide. Tap on unhide, confirm unhide. That is it. The same way you can do the video, long press on the screen, select the one you want to unhide, tap on unhide, confirm unhide. That is it. This method is simple and effective for keeping your private apps and files safe. Share this tutorial with others and help them secure their phones too. Thank you and see you guys in my next video.